In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for task management. By the end, you'll be able to create clear, actionable tasks, tie them to the right records, and set reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. First, head to your HubSpot homepage. From the main navigation, open the CRM section and choose Tasks. This is your central hub for to-dos across contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, so it's the best place to keep follow-ups and action items organized. Click the Create Task button to start a new task. Begin with a concise, action-oriented title. Think Call to Confirm Pricing or Send Onboarding Checklist, rather than something vague. Clear titles make it easier to scan your list and immediately know what to do next. Next, set the priority to high for this example. Use high only when timing or impact truly matters, like end-of-quarter follow-ups, so your most urgent work stands out. Keeping a consistent priority standard helps your team quickly understand what needs attention first. Now associate the task with the correct records. Search for and select the relevant contact, and if needed, link any related company, deal, or ticket. Associating tasks ensures the full context appears on the record's timeline, so anyone viewing that record can see what's due and why. Choose the specific contact from the list to finalize the association. If multiple results appear, pick the one tied to the correct company or email domain to avoid confusion later. Set the due date to 2 business days from now, for example, Thursday. Business days skip weekends based on your portal's settings, which helps you schedule realistically. If your workflow depends on a certain time of day, adjust the due time as well. Add a reminder for 30 minutes before the task is due. Reminders are crucial for time-sensitive work and will trigger a notification based on your personal settings. Feel free to tighten or loosen the reminder window depending on how much prep you typically need. In the Notes field, add the important details, the purpose of the task, any promised follow-up, key context from your last interaction, and the exact outcome you want. Notes prevent back and forth, help teammates step in if needed, and give future you instant clarity when you return to the task. When everything looks good, click Create. Your task now appears in your Tasks view. From this page, you can edit details, reschedule, change priority, mark the task complete, or delete it if it's no longer needed. All in one place for easy management. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.